Okay, this is just a short video to explain how to replace the tailgate lock on a VW Caddy. This is a 05 plate, and the problem I've got is when I unlock it and open the door, the tailgate, it doesn't know the tailgate's been opened, so it relocks itself, potentially locking your keys in there. So I'm going to explain how to change it, and it's quite easy. You will need a 8mm splined bit and a small screwdriver or similar tool. So all you need to do is, it's just relocked there. All you need to do is remove these two bolts, which I'll do now, and then unclip, I don't know if you can see this, but there's a small plastic catch here which you just need to unclip. So I'll try and do it with one hand. So they're loose. Sorry about this camera work. I'm going to need to put the phone down to do this. Maybe a tripod might have been a better idea. So I'll come back in 2 seconds. Okay, so sorry about that. The bolts are now out. And the clip in question is this one here, the black one. And you just need to pop it off with a screwdriver. So I'll do that now. Off, easy enough, and then you just need to pull the lock out of the back. There's a small connection, a wire on the back there, you need to remove. Difficult with one hand again. There's a clip, just pull that, I'll drop it, anyway it's off, and that's what you've got. And the new one is obviously the same, hopefully, without the metal bar on. That's the new one, and that's the old one. And obviously refittings in reverse order. Again, it's not a difficult job. I just couldn't find any information on here as to how to do it. Anyway, thanks for watching.